Dear ladies and gentlemen, you know what this is? That's our nature 50 years ago. Beautiful, isn't it? But now look at this. Maybe you don't know, but this is the truth. We're destroying our nature more and more. We live in a world of people who make excuses to do nothing. Our world is so special. For example, the Amazon rainforest. There are billions of trees, and I'm so sorry to tell you that we burn them down. Trees that cleans our pollution, cures our diseases, and we cut them down. 40 football fields every minute. Why? For money. We poison the oceans and put greed above need. We just care about ourselves. Which brings me great sorrow because most of us today don't even care about tomorrow. We're paying so much attention to war that we don't care about that the ice is melting. I'm so sorry that our footprint is a sinkhole, not a garden. You all have to realize that you have to save the nature. You know why? Because we are all a part of nature.